Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of the box, what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. But before we get unboxing, we're gonna get uncanny. Woo! With a can of Carling Lager, brewed in Canada, 4.9%. The original place where Carling Lager was brewed and is still brewed to this day. A great Canadian lager for a horrible price. 30 cans, 355 milliliters, it's $50. Sometimes 51, sometimes 49, sometimes 52. Beer prices change every Monday, just like gas prices change every day. Beer prices in Ontario change every Monday. But without further ado, drink up, buttercup. So today's box is a cardboard box. It's yellow, white, black, and red. And it measures 9 inches by 7 inches by 2 1/4 inches and weighs 1,174 grams. It is a cardboard box, if I didn't mention that. And it's a cold box. You know, some people like a nice, warm, moist box, but you know, sometimes a cold box is good. But when you shake it, sounds like that. And when you look at it, it looks like this. No name meat lasagna. Lasagne et la vinaigrette. There's my French for you. Simple. No name. So, I've never had this before in my life. This is no name lasagna. It was $5 at the No Frills, and I guarantee you it's probably gonna taste like fucking garbage. But maybe it's not lasagna in there. Maybe it's cabbage rolls, or a square pizza. I don't know. Think we should open it and take a look? Oh, there's a symbol for microwave. French on that end, English on that end, English on that end, French there, nutritional facts, instructions. Hey, microwave. When I make this, I will not put it in microwave. 22 minutes in the microwave. Oven. We'll put it in the oven when I decide to make it for 50 minutes. There's like ingredients and shit. You want to read it? Fucking read it. I'm not reading it to you. There's a barcode. You want to barcode it? Fucking barcode it. Canadian flag, made in Canada. This package is recyclable. Okay, let's open it up, bitches. Maybe we'll get some asthma out of it. Oh, it's 1 kg, 1 kilogram of meat lasagna. Okay, listen. Get some asthma. Listen, here it comes. Listen. Oh. Can you hear it? Did you Unboxabators get that? Listen, there's more. There's more. Ooh, that wasn't very exciting asthma. Oh, there's some kind of black vessel here. It's pretty solid. The box, look, we unboxed it. The box is empty, so there you go. There's your unboxing. Okay, it looks like that. It's in some kind of cardboard. It's not plastic. I don't know. Some kind of cardboard thing. Looks like that. It's got some plastic covering on it. I'm sure if you put it in the microwave, poke some holes in it and let her go, but we're gonna put it in the oven. Not at this moment, when I decide to make it. So there you go. That's our unboxing for today. We're gonna put it back in the box. Back in box. And back in the freezer it goes. But I needed to make an unboxing video today, so there you go, bitches. Have a nice fucking day. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, drink some fucking beer, and rock the fuck on. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Until the next unboxing. Woo.